deep philosophical questions about random numbers being posed today as we get very, very non-random numbers. A slight bit of reorganization for those corner craters from our field setters, but other than that, it looks like we're ready to go. So, with everyone ready, everyone's robots on the field, hooked up, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Qualification match 11 begins with 4097 clunking into the ground and flying into that little corner there.
And as they violently lunge forward, they manage to knock 2 silver minerals into their depot, rather their crater.
10565 drops their marker, but seems like they've stopped. 7612 still stuck to the side along with 8949.
And with just 5 seconds left, no teams are moving.
Driver, pick up your controllers.
I think 6712 might try to get some score off that. It's hard to tell.
1.
And as we begin the game, the Red Alliance moves.
10565 pushes a silver mineral into their depot. Looks like they're going to try and corral those extra ones off the sampling field in. 4097 lining up to pick up some silver minerals from the crater, almost picking up a gold, but failing to pick up anything.
And now it's a mad dash between 8949 and 4097 to get minerals scored into their lander.
8949 nets a solid 2 gold minerals in, while 4097 lines up a silver and a gold.
And once again, they're faced with a half and half, and it's good. Both of them.
A good placement of 2 different minerals. Ooh, 8949 goes to place 2, but only manages to get 1, which 7612 very quickly cleans up and pushes into that depot.
And meanwhile, from the Blue Alliance, Team 10565 is trying to get more minerals into their depot.
It seems like they're faster than them.
Yeah, no, they're...
Looks like 4097 still picking up. 4097 gets a gold and a silver. Let's see if they can make the split. They are on the wrong sides. It might prove difficult. A very clean use of the fact that the silver mineral as a sphere allows them to roll it out. Very, very impressive. 4097 goes in to pick up another pair of gold, but it looks like they're getting close. That's impressive. They managed to get 2 gold minerals in what should only hold 1. Let's see if they can put them in correctly. It's good.
And unfortunately, it looks like their partner, Team 10565, has stopped as we enter the end game.
The end game begins. 4097 still on that corner, while 8949 goes to drop another pair of gold minerals. 6712 making a terrifying noise as what seems to be an aluminum plate has separated from their robot.
And it looks like it was previously held in with double-sided tape.
8949 goes up, tries to hang. 4097 hangs perfectly.
And 4097 has successfully hung.
12.
And that's game.
Blue wins with 150 points to Red's 115, bringing 4097 up to 3rd place and keeping 10565 in their home of 1st. 8949 drops down to 5th, and 6712 holds 10th.